Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. So, first of all, you have to go to the Start menu, then open Settings, go to Accounts on the sidebar, scroll down to Other Users, and open this menu. Click Add Account right here. Then, if you want to add another user with their Microsoft account, enter their Microsoft account data into this field, then click Next, create a password for them, and their account will be successfully created. If you want to create a Microsoft account for them, or if you want to create a user locally, click I don't have this person sign-in information. Then in the first situation, so if you want to create a Microsoft account for them, you're going to have to proceed by creating an account for them. So you have to enter their email address in here, then create a password. Now, if you want to create an email address for them, you also have an option right here. And if you want to create an account locally, click Add a user without a Microsoft account. In this case, you're going to have to create a username for them, create a password, and confirm it in the second field. And then in case they forget their password, you have to prepare 3 different security questions that you can select from these lists. And give answers to each of the questions, so that in case this person forgets their password, they'll be able to answer one of the security questions to restore it. Press enter and their account will be created. Now, if you want to switch to their account, go to the Start menu, click on your account's logo, then 3-dot icon, and their account. And this way you will switch to their account. And if you want to remove their account, you're going to have to sign out of it if you have already signed into it. Then go to Accounts, Other Users, expand their account's data, and select Remove. Confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.